Two leading fintech platforms. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Adyen, the unified global payments powerhouse for enterprises. On the right, Wise, the borderless solution for seamless international money transfers. Let's skip the buzzwords and look at what truly matters. We'll break down each category, give out the points, and reveal exactly who comes out on top. The result just might surprise you. So here's the game plan. We're going to break these two down by core focus, pricing and fees, ease of use and onboarding, international coverage, business features, support and reliability, plus security and compliance. Ready? Let's mind map it. First up, core focus. Adyen, it's all about unified global payments for businesses. And I mean, seriously, they go big here. They handle online, in-store, subscriptions, the whole 9 yards. It's not really built for Jane Doe just sending $20 abroad, though. Now, Wise, on the other hand, is hands down the king of international transfers for both individuals and small businesses. You can hold, convert, send money in over 40 currencies. But if you're looking for those mega enterprise payment features, yeah, not quite Wise's territory. Call it a tie on focus. They nail their own lanes.
Let's talk pricing, because honestly, this is where people start sweating.
Adyen? Pricing is, well, it depends. Big merchants get custom deals and volume discounts. But if you're small, figuring out your exact rate, not the most transparent thing ever. Now, with Wise, so transparent it's almost suspicious. There are no setup fees, just small percentages per transfer. And their currency exchange rates are crazy competitive. The catch? If you're a huge enterprise sending millions every day, you're not exactly getting a bulk discount. Still, Wise takes the win here for keeping it simple and upfront. Ease of use and onboarding. Okay, Adyen is a developer's dream when it comes to power. If you want to customize the heck out of your integration, API, docs, webinars, they've got you. But if you're just trying to get set up quick, it can feel pretty heavy. Wise, though, just nails this. Onboarding is as self-service as it gets. Web and mobile app are super intuitive, and really, anyone can use it. You don't need to be a payments nerd. Wise wins for not making onboarding feel like a college project. Here's something cool you might not know. Adyen processed over 767 billion euros in payments last year. And Wise? Now over 16 million people and businesses use it for sending money internationally. That's a mind-blowing amount of cash flying around the world. All right, Globetrotters, here's the international coverage breakdown. Adyen, monster reach. They let you accept payments in 100+ countries and support literally hundreds of payment methods. The only downside is maybe a few quirks, depending on the market. But honestly, it's wild coverage. Wise covers over 50 currencies for sending and receiving, lets you hold and swap between 40+, which is impressive for transfers. But they aren't a full payment processor, so their global reach is more about moving money, not collecting it from every corner. This one goes to Adyen. Their coverage is just nuts. Business accounts and features next. This is where it gets juicy. Adyen gives you all the bells and whistles for payments. Think recurring billing, point of sale, invoicing, fraud prevention. But don't go expecting true banking functions. Wise, meanwhile, offers borderless accounts. You can get local bank details in different countries, manage team permissions, plug right into your accounting tools. It won't exactly replace a full-on business bank account, but those international features are seriously cool. Honestly, both sides bring something strong. Gotta call this a tie. Let's talk support and reliability. Adyen, huge flex here. 24/7 live support. Tons of documentation, those sweet enterprise SLAs. But heads up, support might be better in some regions than others. Wise, meanwhile, is all about a killer self-service help center and solid online support. Not as much with the live calls or instant reps if you're outside their main regions, though. It's pretty clear. Adyen's commitment to businesses gives them the edge here. Last one, security and compliance. Adyen, this is enterprise level. PCI DSS compliance, advanced fraud stuff, you name it. Wise, don't get me wrong, is totally FCA regulated and rock solid on security with strong authentication. But it isn't an actual bank. Still, super transparent about everything. But when it comes to dazzling those big, high-stakes businesses, Adyen just has the edge. Let's map this all out visually for a sec. If you look at the strengths, Adyen is dominating the hardcore enterprise and payment acceptance space, while Wise is shining as the go-to for simple cross-border money movement and transparency.
So here's where I land on this. Adyen is your powerhouse if you're running a big business with complex payment needs. Think global, multi-channel, lots of moving parts. But if what you care about is making international transfers painless, low cost, and just having a borderless business account, Wise is practically a no-brainer. Just pick the tool that actually fits your life. That's it.
If you want more deep dive fintech comparisons like this, hit that bookmark button so you never miss out on choosing wisely. See you in the next one.